Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a grid story on Instagram. This popular technique lets you transform a single photo into a captivating, multi-part display across several story frames. It's a fantastic way to grab attention and share a larger image with your followers. To achieve this seamless effect, you'll need to use a specialized third-party application, which makes the process surprisingly simple and quick. First, head to your App Store and download a reliable grid story application. There are many free options available that work wonderfully. Once installed, open the app and prepare to select your image. It's best to choose a high-resolution photo from your gallery, ideally one with a clear focal point, as this will ensure your final grid story looks professional and visually appealing to your audience. Now, within your chosen app, import the image you want to transform. Next, you'll select your preferred grid layout. Common options include a 2x2, 3x3, or even a 1x3 vertical split, depending on the app. The application will then automatically and precisely divide your single picture into the correct number of individual segments, preparing them for your Instagram story. Finally, it's time to post your amazing grid story. The app will typically allow you to export the segmented images directly to Instagram. Make sure to post each piece in the exact order they were created to ensure your grid forms perfectly on your story. This creates a stunning, cohesive visual that truly stands out. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.